Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be making this cute little jar with a lid. This mould is new to me, I've not used it before. So you can see we have this ribbed effect on the outside, which is also on the inside of the mould. So we're going to pour resin in from this end here and the top, so it kind of gives the impression that it has this cute little frill to it. It doesn't, it's just going to be this plain edged double layer effect that will sit in the top, like so. Put that to the side. I'm going to be using these colours, these mica powders. I think these are supposed to be for makeup or something like that. I got them off of one of the sort of Alibaba, Wish, Temu type websites. I'm not sure if they're safe for your skin or not, but I'm using them in resin, so that's absolutely fine. We've got a vibrant green, I'll call it a vibrant pink, and a vibrant blue. All I'm going to do is pour different colours, and we'll see what happens. Right, I am first going to put some resin in 3 cups, and then we'll add in. Okay, so I've got 3 cups of resin, there's 3 pumps of each, part A and part B in each cup. I'm using the Decor Rom resin with the pump lids. So, I'm not going to be specific or measure this out at all, I never am with mica powders. I'm just going to go with what feels right. That looks good to me. And I'm going to put the... Shall I do it one at a time? Yeah, let's do that. So we've got our blue. Now for our pink. So our pink, now our green. I think this one's been used before, so I'm just going to dump the rest in. There we go. Going to give them all one more stir together, or mix, however you say it. Okay, so let's go for this one first. So I'm going to do that? No, I'm going to hold them. So I'm going to do green, pink, blue. I don't know if you can see when I'm pouring them or not, but I'm trying to pour one on top of the other, on top of the other, on top of the other. Okay, before this eats all of the resin, I'm going to do the same on here. I'm not going to have enough resin, I'm now realising. I'll add one more pump to each colour. So it is going to be, I should say, watered down. A little bit, but I'm not too bothered about that. Okay, so we carry on. So pink, green, the blue, I think, fingers crossed guys, we're going to just have enough. Okay, this is full. Do I want to go further on this? No. I think we're good. So, I'm excited to see what this is going to turn out like. I'm going to just give it the lid a quick torch. Do I want to give this a stir? I think I do. So I'm going to go from the outside in. And stop before it becomes muddy. Right. Another little torch. And I'll see you when these are set and we can do mould and find out how beautiful it is. I think it's going to be great. Awesome. Okay, it is time to demould now. First things first, we have definite colours. It hasn't gone all muddy. Well, at the top anyway, who knows what's happened down here. We shall find out together. Lid first. Oh no. Oh, why does this keep happening to me? I'm stuck. Can you see that? Why am I stuck? Why does that happen to me? Yeah, my mould's ripped. Is this just... do I end up with faulty moulds? Am I... don't know. I would assume it would happen all the way round. Don't don't know. I have to investigate. So this is our lid. Just, oh, okay. If this is any indication of what's going to happen here, then this is cool. We've got that definite tie-dye effect going on here. That is the bottom though, so that's the bit that will sit in. So let's go ahead and demould. Oh, we've got a lot of air bubbles around here straight off. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Oh, guys, look. Oh, she's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. This is a lot brighter than you can see on camera, unfortunately. Oh, look at the effects. Oh, this is very pretty. With our lid on. Oh, the lid fits perfectly. Oh. Amazing, guys. Oh. Oh, I'm really, really happy. Really happy with this effect that we've got. Now it did start to get a little bit muddy towards the top, weirdly, when I was pouring. I think that's probably as the colours are mixing through and they're catching on the mould, and this is so cool. I love. Love, love, love. Awesome. Let me know what you think, guys. What other colours should I try? Is there a technique I could do with this? I wonder if I could do like a clear resin and then drop alcohol inks in, although that would probably all stick around this end. I mean, the lid's nice to have, but how often do you put lids on little things like this? I mean, I would use this as a pot, as like a pen pot or somewhere to chuck jewellery. Awesome. Oh, I'm really happy, guys. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.